So typically they'll be about this long, usually, and this chunky. They love eating some night crawlers, is what we feed him all the time. So they will usually, as their larva or baby stage, this is what their egg clusters will look like, and this is what a lot of salamanders will look like as they're growing up. They can either keep these big fluffy gills, which is what they use while they are fully aquatic in that larval stage, or they can grow up and become into this stage, very similar that a lot of salamanders will go to, and they breathe through cutaneous respiration. So they breathe throughout their skin. That's why a lot of times people recommend you don't just go pick up a salamander. That's why I have gloves on that I keep moist to handle him, because they breathe through blood vessels that exchange gases going throughout their skin and move moisture to help them be able to breathe.
Welcome back to Get Lost with Mark and Lydia. Today we are at Clifty Falls State Park in Madison, Indiana, taking on their 4 Falls Challenge.
What falls are we going to see?
We're going to see 4 falls. Hoffman Falls, Tunnel Falls, Little Clifty Falls, Big Clifty Falls. To complete this challenge, we have to have a photo of 7 different points along this trail. And at the end, when we return to the visitor center, we get a sticker. Which,
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
So it is. All right, so right off of the trailhead, Big Clifty Falls is right here. Oh, that's just a walkway around the outside edge.
Are you saying we're lost already?
No, I'm just saying that I think Cape Rock's over there, and when we cross over here, we're going to see the falls. Warm out already.
A little bit.
So far, I don't think it's been too bad. What do you think?
No,
No,
not too bad. It's just warm.
it is warm.
Midday.
A little humid.
Yeah.
But other than that, it hasn't really been a whole lot of elevation gain. It's just been around the outside edge of the rim. What'd you say?
Tiny gains.
What tiny gains?
Tiny elevation gains. Oh. So we're at Tunnel Falls.
We are. Look at that fall.
It's not the tallest waterfall either, Tunnel Falls.
No. I think Big Clifty Falls was a lot bigger.
Clifty Falls isn't just known for its waterfalls. In the 1850s, this canyon was almost transformed into a railroad route connecting Madison to Indianapolis. Hundreds of workers came here to carve a path through these steep hills, but the project was abandoned before a single rail was ever laid. One of the biggest reminders of that failed railroad project is a 600-foot tunnel hidden beneath Oak Grove along Trail 5. Even though the railroad was never completed, its history is still part of Clifty Falls today.
Watch out, falling debris.
It's the other side of the tunnel.
It is. Railroad tunnel.
Definitely not passable.
And not a cave, despite what everybody kept saying. Water trickling down. This is where our adventure at Clifty Falls comes to an unexpected end. After putting so much effort into filming our day, we discovered that our audio had failed, and that was definitely disappointing. But looking back, that's just part of learning and growing as creators. More importantly, we still got to spend an incredible day exploring Clifty Falls together, and that's what we'll remember most.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this adventure. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join us on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.